Walton, founder of Soul Writing Intuitive Coaching. And I'm going to be running the next soul writing course, 6-week course, from the 1st of October. And I would love you to join me. And one of the last participants, one of the last soul writers who joined us, said this: soul writing is more than just expressing our authentic voice in writing. It helps us to express our authentic voice in all aspects of our lives. And that's exactly what it does. What we'll do is we'll go on a journey. There'll be 6 group soul journeys whereby through meditation techniques and free writing, I guide you into a journey deep into yourself so that you can write from a deep and authentic place within you. And then at the end of it, you will have a story that reflects where you're at in your life at the moment. And this can be deeply healing experience. It can also, for other people, be quite a revelation at just how freed up and expressive they can be with their writing and their imaginative craft. I'm also a academic writing tutor on MA courses, but this is a process I developed when I had a brain injury and I could no longer write. So I had a massive writer's block and I had severe damage to my neural pathways, and through developing this soul writing method that I've developed, that helped me to develop and create new neural pathways in my brain. So that's what we're going to do together. We're going to enter a state of calm and relaxation. We're going to switch off our left brain and the internal critic, and we're going to step into our right brain, the imagination, the intuition, and we're going to let our creativity express itself on the page. And I would love you to join me. And just for this time, I'm going to be offering a free gift, which is one 60-minute session, one-to-one private session with me, and we can focus on anything your soul would like to focus on. So thank you. Please do join me, and you can sign up for the very small group live Zoom sessions, which we'll be having once a week. And there'll be one-to-one email support throughout the 6 weeks as well. And so please do press the link and join me. Thank you.